What is positivity? Are you a positive person? Do you always think positive, whatever the situation may be? Or negative thoughts come in your mind every now and then? What do you think? Why life is giving you so many problems? Why everyone else is happy, satisfied, and you are not? It is always easy to live life with guilt and resentment, blaming others for all the negative things happening to you. What is difficult is to understand the reason behind those negative emotions. Every time we face any negative situation, we start playing the victim. We start blaming our stars, the situation, or probably someone else. What we need to understand is the reason behind those negative thoughts or emotions. Time to sit back, relax, and think about the emotions which you're feeling. Understand the reason. Sometimes the reason for negative emotion is just hypothetical. It is unreal. Let it go. Let your mind be free from such negativity. Our mind just look out for negativity in every situation. Turn around your thoughts. Almost every situation have something positive to look for. We just need to make efforts to find that positivity, that ray of hope. Understand, everything happens for a reason, and the reason is always good. We just need to wait and watch till it comes in front of us. Whatever the situation may be, professionally, personally, if you deal with that situation in a positive manner, you will get the answers on your own. Never say anything negative about yourself, to yourself or to others. Never think yourself as failing. A situation which may look negative can be a blessing in disguise. Whenever you feel negative, keep saying positive things to yourself. Keep saying, I can do it. Keep saying, I am the best. Keep saying, I have the power to control my thoughts. Meditate. Spend time with your own self. Write down all the strengths and keep them in front of you always. Buddha says, we become what we think. Time to turn our negative thoughts into positive ones. Time to think positive. Time to live positive. Remember, negative situations create an aura of negativity around you, which have a strong and sometimes devastating impact on your relationships, your health, your work, and eventually your lives. Just let your mind be free from negative thoughts. This is the time we create our own life. This is the time we choose between positive and negative. Life is all about our perception of things we encounter each and every day. Time to change our perception. Don't let your thoughts and fears limit you. Always remember, they conquer who believe they can. Let us see the glass is half full. Let us see the positive inside every situation and make this place a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place to live in.